Here's another way to review for your Chapter 5 test or any test that we take throughout the year. If you go to your Clever page, you can scroll down to find McGraw-Hill. That would be the McGraw-Hill in the big red square. Click on it. Once it loads, you're going to go to your McGraw-Hill math book. Now that's going to be the blue one here. That looks just like that. So click on your math book. Once you're in McGraw-Hill, there are two buttons right here. One that says Mathematics, the other one that says Study Sync. So what we want to do is we want to go to the Mathematics part. So if we click on the Mathematics, it looks and it opens all the different chapters that we have in our book, 1 through 12. Okay? We want to look at the chapter that we're on today, which is Chapter 5. So when we click on Chapter 5, on the right-hand side opens up all the lessons. So what I'd like you to do is to go to Lesson 1 in your math journal. So now I want you to go back over to where it says Lesson Resources. And I want you to click on the arrow that's to the next, so that way you hit it twice, so you get to the big red check mark here. This is a self-check quiz. And when you click on it, it opens it up to a 5-question quiz about what we're talking about in Lesson 1, which is our integers and number lines. So after you take the quiz, and I'll just guess at some answers here. We can take the quiz and grade it, and it'll tell us, look, you have correctly answered 5 out of 5. You have 100%. So when you have 100%, you know that you understand the material that we're talking about. So what I'd like you to do next would be to exit out of that screen. So come up here, oops, and click on that tab. And then from over here in this area where it talks about each lesson, I want you to click on that Lesson 1 and go to Lesson 2. Now, while in Lesson 2, there's a check right here at the very top. It'll always be at the top. So what I'd like you to do is to click that button, and it'll open up to another check. And I would like you to go through and do all the checks in Lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 as a review today for your test. Good luck, and your test is tomorrow, so keep on studying.